Right, the car just died, won't start. I think it's the battery, so I'm gonna try to jump it with this car starter here I've got from TikTok Shop. So let's take a look. So that's what's going on. All right, I've got everything connected. Battery is at 90%. So we're going to put it on. All right, got it connected to the battery. Green light comes on. Let's see what happens now. Boom, there it is. So after jumping that, you guys saw it was at 90, now it's at 88. So you can get multiple jumps off of this thing. I'll put this back in the car and in case we need it again, but it's so much easier than having a pair of jumper cables and having to find someone else to jump your car with theirs. I'll link this below in the TikTok Shop.